Are you looking for a deep cleaning and gentle exfoliator to smooth and tighten your skin? Well, in today's video, we're going to make an anti-aging face scrub. This recipe is full of firming, hydrating, and cleansing properties, leaving you with smooth and glowing skin. All right, let's get to it. Please like, share, and subscribe. We need 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Rice flour helps to absorb excess oil from the skin, reducing blocked pores. It also acts as a wonderful exfoliator as well, freshening up the skin and making it glow. Due to it having vitamin B, it can support new cell production and slow down the aging process. It can also boost collagen production in the skin, helping it to maintain its natural elasticity and stay firm. Rice flour contains allantoin, which helps to soothe sunburned skin. 1 tablespoon of colloidal oatmeal. Oatmeal is amazingly moisturizing and soothing to the skin. It can improve skin tone and texture, absorbs oils, and acts as a gentle exfoliant. The excess protein in oatmeal helps protect skin from irritations caused by harsh chemicals, sunburn, drying, rashes, and acne. 1 tablespoon of sweet almond oil. Almond oil is full of vitamin E, vitamin A, essential fatty acids, proteins, potassium, and zinc. It's very gentle and safe for almost all skin types. Due to almond oil's anti-inflammatory properties, it can lighten dark circles, skin spots, and reduce under-eye puffiness, giving the skin a fresh and healthy appearance. Almond oil also contains emollient properties, which can help improve both the complexion and skin tone. It's also deeply moisturizing, not only softening the skin, but can reduce scars. 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. The antioxidants in vitamin E can promote healthy blood circulation. It can slow down the skin aging process and make your skin look firm and youthful. It's also an excellent moisturizer, reducing and preventing dry skin. It can help strengthen skin barrier function and may act as a natural anti-inflammatory, soothing and calming the skin. Essential oils I like to use is 2 drops of frankincense and 2 drops of rosemary essential oils. Frankincense is antibacterial and can boost the immune system. It can also reduce inflammation in the skin and support skin regeneration. Rosemary is full of antioxidants and can help hinder wrinkles by preventing free radicals from breaking down the skin's elasticity. It's also antibacterial and can promote healthy blood circulation. In a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of colloidal or ground oatmeal, 1 tablespoon of sweet almond oil, and 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Mix all ingredients together well. Add the essential oils to mixture and again mix well. Massage scrub into skin for at least 2 minutes. Don't press too hard. Allow the rice and oatmeal to do the work for you. You can also leave it on your skin for 10 to 20 minutes as a face mask, then rinse well. It's just that easy. Here's the recipe if you'd like a screenshot. This recipe makes 1 application of face scrub. Thanks for watching, and remember, like, share, and subscribe for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.